Hi, my name is Marilyn, and for this video I want to show you a couple of looks that I did inspired by the Haunted Mansion. This year is the 50th anniversary, and since I am an annual pass holder, I go to Disneyland a lot and I like to dress up and do my makeup when I go to the park. I actually wore this look that I'm going to show you how to do today to the 50th anniversary party. I really fell in love with the kind of intricate eye look that I did, and I really wanted to wear it again. The second look that I'm going to do is a very pastel kind of Haunted Mansion inspired makeup, a little more easy, but it's still super cute and it goes with my favorite t-shirt that I bought from the event. So if you'd like to see how I create these looks, then just keep on watching. The first color I'm using is the shade Planchette from the Creepy Cute palette by Shroud Cosmetics. I'm packing this color on in the inner corners of my eye. The next color I'm using is called Cold Shoulder, and it's a pale baby blue color. I'm blending this onto the center of my eyelid. Now with the shade Take a Hint, I'm placing this on the outer corners of my eye and blending out to finish off the lid. For my under eye, I'm going to be packing on this mint color called Creep It Real. I'm making sure to really blend this out so that I can use it as a transition for the next color. Now with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette, I'm taking the shade Seashells to finish off my under eye. To highlight my brow bone, I'm going in with the white shade named Sails. And adding it to the inner corner as well. Next, with the Epic Ink liner by NYX, I'm going to be creating a very thick winged eyeliner. For lashes, I finished off the eyes with the Creme Shop 101 lashes, and for lips I'm adding the Black Moon Cosmetics black lipstick in the shade Sleepwalker. For the next look, I'm going to be adding the shade Planchette all over my eye. I'm starting off in the crease to make sure that this is blended out very well. Then I'm picking up some more product and packing it onto my eyelid. With the shade Area 51 from the Jeffree Star Alien palette, I'm beginning to carve out my halo eye shape. And once I'm done blending, I'm going back over the edges and the center of my eyelid with the shade Planchette. To highlight under my eyebrow, I'm using the shade Titan. To start off my under eyes, I'm going to be picking up the shade Abduction. I'm using this to blend out way past the bags of my eyes. Before I go in with the black eyeshadow, I'm going to be adding a black eyeliner pencil as a base and smudging it out. I also want to bring that to the inner corners of my halo eye just to really intensify that shape. To set that eyeliner base, I'm using the shade Black Hole. To tie together this look with my outfit, I'm going to be placing the shade Flying Saucer under my eye, as well as in the middle of my eyelid. For glitter, I'm using the shade Skipper from Trixie Cosmetics with the NYX Glitter Primer. I forgot to highlight my inner corner, so I'm going back with the shade Alien. And Pluto. Now with the House Labs Punk eyeliner, I'm adding a thin line to the base of my lashes. To contour my face, I'm using the Kevyn Aucoin Medium Sculpting Powder. As a blush, I'm mixing the shade Planchette with the Flower Beauty Sweet Pea Blush. For highlighter, I'm using the Soraya Jade Highlighter Palette with the shade Martian. For my lips, I'm using the Jeffree Star Crocodile Tears and Black Moon Cosmetics Sleepwalker lipsticks. And this is the completed look. Thank you so much for watching my tutorials for these Haunted Mansion inspired looks. If you liked this video, please make sure to leave a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel as well. For a closer look of my makeup looks, please make sure to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at MarilynMugBeat. I'll see you next time. Bye!